Hello, my bosses. How y'all doing in Bosses Land? I hope everyone is doing well this fine Tuesday. So girls, I decided that I was going to take some time out today and wash my units. I'm kind of doing like an external maintenance week. Not only am I washing my units, but I'm also washing my makeup brushes and all those things. And I'm going to be honest, y'all, I'm not the best at keeping those types of things, keeping up on those types of things, because I'm always on the go. Matter of fact, let me do an unboxing real quick while we at it. Hold on. Okay, this is UNice. Is it UNice, y'all? UNice? I think it's UNice. I got this from UNice. As y'all can see, I've not opened her. Literally just pulled her out of the bag. This was a recommendation by my girl Sharika B. Hey Sharika girl, how you doing? And also my girl Pretty Bree Moore. Hey Bree. And they had this unit, and I loved it. So when Bree honey pulled this unit, I was done. And then of course, you know, when Sharika B put it on, I was definitely sold. Sharika got it with the lace band, and that's what I got. So here's the box. Their box is pretty, y'all. I like the color. Y'all know that's my favorite color, pink. Here's the unit. And of course, we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. Y'all know you get all the things, honey. Head edge strap, the edge brushes, and you get a wig HD wig cap. Love that for me. All right, this is the unit. I got this in 20 inches. Oh gosh, she long. I got this in 20 inches, and so I wanted to have an everyday get up and go, run around situation. And here she is out the box. Isn't she pretty, y'all? She's so cute. Now the one Sharika had on, I think that one was a 24 inch. But girl, I can't do no 24 inches. So I got 20 inches because I wanted to get it longer. Usually I think this is 22 inches. Hold on, let me see, y'all, if it's on here. I want to say it's 20. So this is the unit. Isn't she lovely? Oh, she looks short. Girl, she looks short. What is we doing? I guess because of the curls, huh? And this is a headband wig. I don't like. She's short. Hold on, y'all. Let me try her on real quick. Good thing I got my Scully in it. Okay, let's try it on, y'all. This is the that's the comb. And then you see the what do you call it? This allows it to further secure on your hair. So, and I love this big comb. This is a nice big comb. Look at that. Okay. And then of course, here is the band. The band, it's like, oh, this band is nice and sturdy. Look at that. Love that. And no, this video is not sponsored. So I love that band, and it's sturdy, guys. So let's try her on. Oh, and here's your here's the what do you call that, y'all? The string, drawstring. Dang, senior moment. All right, let me try to put it on, y'all. So the way I get my hair braided when my stylist does my hair, I always have her to cornrow my hair going back, and she always adds an anchor braid. And the way she braids my hair, I actually have 2 anchor braids. So I can, if a wig is not like if a wig is not like wide enough for my head, and I have a small head, the anchor braid, see, like that's pulling, and I don't like that. Oof. Maybe I don't have it in there enough. Hold on. I want to try to put her on this first anchor braid. That's why I'm struggling a little bit. And she's kind of tight, y'all, for real. All right, let's see. There you go. Okay. All right, she is tight, y'all. So hold on, I know I got it pulled too far up to the top, but I want to make sure I got the, of course I know I don't have her straight, but it's okay. And this is how, okay, it's not too bad. Not too bad. And I love this for me because, again, I gotta pull her down in the back some. And guys, I don't need to tighten my wigs. I don't usually use my drawstring. I usually don't, unless the wig is definitely big. I don't have a big head. I actually have a small head, believe it or not. I just have a lot of hair. And so, and you all can never tell that I have a lot of hair because I keep my hair braided down. But y'all, I love this. Like, this is so cute. Like, you could do a cute little half up, half down with her. Oh, I love this. I can put her in a cute little, like, top knot situation. I got these cute, let me show y'all how she looks in the back. I got these cute headbands, like, they look almost like a head wrap from Amazon. And I will show you all once I, honey, my Amazon packages are in there unboxed. And I don't feel like going through them right now. But I'll show you guys later. But let me show you the back. Show y'all the head, the drawstring. So this is the drawstring, see? And for me, that's how she looks in the back. I don't need to pull her. I'm good with this. And let me see if I can get a scrunchie. I'll be right back. So I love this because you can do like a little situation where you put her up. You can do like a little messy bun type situation. Like, well, I'm here for a messy bun, girl. I love me a messy bun. Give me a second, I'm gonna do something. I'm always here for a messy bun, girl. Okay? Like, look at that, isn't that cute? That is so stinking cute. This is definitely giving, it's definitely giving, honey, Pilates vibes, the whole nine. Love this for me. Yes. Y'all, I love this. She is so cute. And then, of course, I'll probably push her back some more and show some of my hair so I can have that look. And this is how this would look. Let me show y'all. This is so cute. Like, look at that. Y'all saw how quick I did that? Huh? Y'all see the back? So yes, so check this out. This is, again, this is the, I'll have it linked down below, y'all, because I don't want to misquote the actual name of her. But this is definitely from UNice, excuse me, and it is the curly water wave headband wig. And again, this is the 20-inch. This is so freaking cute. Like, let's just watch. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Let me show y'all something. Girl, when I tell you I love me a cute little situation, look at this. Look at what we're doing. Baby. Period. 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 What? Hello? Who is she? Look how cute. Y'all saw how fast I did that? Girl, who are we? Who is she? What? Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love her. And this is a good, cute little travel situation too. Like, what? Honey, even if you don't want it on, you could do one side with the tendrils. Like, you know, you could, y'all, I be playing with these things. See, I could stuff her in the back, put her underneath, and have a tendril coming down in the back. Like, isn't that cute? You see how I did that? Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Yeah. Love this for me. This is so stinking cute. But like I said, I will have this link down below. Again, this video is not sponsored, but UNice, if you want to sponsor your auntie, reach out to me. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Honey, we get ready to wash old girl. I'm so tired, y'all. I don't know if I want to wash her today. She's so pretty though, but she does need to be washed. So I'm going to go ahead and probably wash her and be done with my day, y'all. But this is so cute. I'm wearing her this weekend. I am, like, for real. And like I said, if you don't want to, and you can also put like a tendril like on the side. Like if you just want to have like that type of situation, look at that. I'll pull it further back. bring her further up. Pull her further back. I love this. Y'all, this is stinking cute. And this is jet black. This is definitely black. I don't have to color this. Like, y'all can see it, right? She's jet black. She's so pretty. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.